My name is Ryan Milburn. I'm the Vice President of Product Engineering here at Allison Transmission. And we got engaged through some of our public relations folks. We do some R&D work with the Purdue team and saw the opportunity to be able to be involved in this event and really wanted to make that happen. It's a great opportunity for us to get exposed to the students and what they're doing in the high schools. It's also a great opportunity to kind of lend a hand and allow development of STEM and all those which are very, very important to us from an industry standpoint. It seems like great event, great enthusiasm. The kids seem to be super engaged in all this. It's really exciting to see, and absolutely these skills are tremendously applicable to what we're trying to do. In a lot of the work that we do, we have kids spending lots of time in vehicles, driving, testing, validating, developing, and kids who are willing to get their hands dirty. That practical engineering experience is fundamentally critical, and then those tend to be our very best employees. It's very, very relevant. I mean, they're working on vehicles that have relevant technology in them that apply to automotive cars. It applies to big trucks, buses. We have, our engineers that are doing the development of our products are actively involved in the development of the propulsion systems, the integration with batteries on the EV side, and all of the integration with all of the other electrified accessories that are required, the hardware, the software. And then on the conventional side, being a transmission manufacturer, right? I mean, there's all kinds of mechanical, electrical, controls, software work that goes on to mating a transmission and an internal combustion engine and trying to have that system operate as efficiently as possible. So all these skills tie directly to those activities. And like I say, kids that just develop those skills, they want to be around the hardware, they want to be in the vehicles, they want to see their development and their design come to life in the real world is super important, super relevant skills, and critical for success for their careers as well as success for companies like Allison. At Allison, we're making electric axles for commercial duty vehicles, right? You can see a Class 8 semi-tractor here. It's got an electric axle in the back of it. We have different configurations. We have a tandem configuration, which has a single electric motor and a 2-speed gearbox integrated together in a single package in the back of the vehicle, and with 2 axles per. Or we have a single axle version that has 2 motors and a 2-speed gearbox integrated into one single axle package. So both of those are very relevant and kind of consistent with what they're doing in the karts here, other than obviously you need a gearbox and multiple speeds in order to propel a Class 8 vehicle versus a smaller go-kart. But the integration with the battery system, there's electrified accessories for air compressors and steering, power steering, and all the other things that need to make a vehicle go, that are all part of that whole system that's used to control that vehicle. And we're involved in supporting all those activities as we develop these trucks. We're in many cases building the entire truck, just like they build the go-karts here. So yeah, it's all, like I say, all very, very relevant, very, very clearly and closely ties to the things that are going on here.